All right, let's talk catalytic converter Seafoam. I get this question a lot. Does using Seafoam actually clean your catalytic converter? Maybe you saw a TikTok or a friend at work is swearing by it. Let's walk through what's real and what's wishful thinking. So, the pain point: your check engine light's on, you're getting codes for the catalytic converter, maybe the car's running a bit sluggish, or maybe you're hearing rattling. Losing performance can cost you up to 10% in fuel economy and ruin resale value. Catalytic converters deal with some nasty stuff: carbon buildup, unburned fuel, oil residues. Everyone wants a magic potion. Seafoam is the big name in fuel additives, so it's easy to see the appeal. It promises to clean your engine, fuel system, maybe even the cat. Here's the harsh truth: once a cat is plugged or the precious metals are shot, no amount of Seafoam will revive it. The chemical can break up hydrocarbons if they're recent or minor, but it won't restore melted or physically clogged sections. That's a 500-plus part to replace. But Seafoam can help if you have mild early-stage buildup. I've seen folks save a few $100s by restoring performance and passing emissions when the issue is soft deposits. You just need a realistic goal, maybe 30% improvement, not 100%. The process itself is straightforward. Add Seafoam to the gas tank at the recommended ratio. 1 ounce per gallon is standard for routine cleaning, but if things are rough, the deep clean approach is more like 2 ounces per gallon just before an oil change. Some people will pour Seafoam straight into the vacuum line to hit intake valves and, theoretically, the exhaust path. Risky move. It can foul sensors if you overdo it, and pro mechanics rarely recommend the vacuum hack for cats. Save that for injectors or intake cleaning. Give it time. Drive at highway speeds for at least 20 minutes. The higher exhaust temps help burn off the residues that Seafoam loosens. I always tell people, don't expect instant miracles. If the light goes off and performance improves, it's a win. If not, no shame. It was a $10 Hail Mary. A big pain point: people use Seafoam hoping to pass emissions right before testing. Honestly, if your cat is marginal, this can help. But if you're 2 to 3x over limits, Seafoam won't save you on test day. It's not a substitute for fixing an underlying engine miss or oil burning. Pro tip: use before you're in trouble. I cycle a can in every 5,000 miles and have had a couple of older Subarus sail through emissions year after year. Regular use keeps the odds in your favor and minimizes the chance of getting stuck with a $1,000 repair. If you do have a truly bad cat, don't keep hammering the car. Misfires, oil burning, or rich running will kill it and make Seafoam pointless. Always fix engine issues first. Otherwise, it's like brushing your teeth while eating Oreos. Final word: Seafoam, in my experience, is a cheap first step if your converter shows early signs of trouble. But it's not magic in a can. If it works, you save big. If not, at least you tried the less than $15 solution before shelling out for major repair.